Hi there, Dory Sukap here with this month's inspiration moment. This is the bright idea for this month. I would like you to implement the best business model to secure success against any future disruption. As a matter of fact, I'm dedicating this entire issue to me helping you solidify your business model and make sure that you are stronger even than ever. So why are so many businesses failing right now? There are several reasons, but what we find when people first call our office for help, what we're finding is that most people have the wrong business model. They have money going out now, but no money coming in. So needless to say, they don't have much of a reserve fund to kind of carry them through this little speed bump that we're going through. And then there's no security against existing or future disruption. So if you don't have that solid business model in place right now is the time to actually make the changes. So how can you avoid failing? How can you avoid this disruption? So I did this great webinar for you. I want to invite you to watch it, and that way you can gain some great insight to protect your medical spa business or spa business by implementing the best business model on the planet, you guys, for your business. So not only will you survive once you implement it, but you will definitely thrive no matter what. You deserve happiness and prosperity, so you should really take care of yourself and take care of your team and actually do it. So in this webinar, I went over the following content. First, I went through the process of how to generate leads so your business will always be growing. The second thing I went over is how to take the first visit and forget about doing a la carte treatments and actually convert them into programs. The third thing you'll learn from this webinar is how to introduce that recurring revenue model that I talked about in the featured article. Fifth is to make sure you have great financials and a strategy for growth. The fifth thing was the team development. And then the sixth was how you can actually get that complete business model, that best business model ever. So that way you can implement it within your business. So I really want to encourage you to go watch that webinar. It's about an hour long, but it'll be the best hour you can spend because it's really going to give you a great overview on what your business should look like and to bring awareness to what you're doing now and what are some of the things that you really need to be improving. So I want to encourage you to go watch it. And then after you watch it, actually in that webinar, I have a great special for you to attend the virtual Leap Ahead. So go ahead and watch it, enjoy it, give us feedback, and God bless. Stay safe and stay tuned for the Dory Recommends. Until next time, stay inspired.